Hey guys, it's Becca. In today's video I'm going to be reacting to episode 7 of Supernatural. Rowena's back in this episode, so I'm probably going to be crying and screaming a lot, so get ready for that. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and let's get started. I can tell this episode's going to mess me up.
Got issues.
What the heck?
But look, I will take some of your
What? He just reminds me exactly of Lucifer. He's acting exactly like Lucifer, and I literally want to cringe. I want to cringe. Number one, no offense, but it makes no sense that he's alive right now. It makes zero sense, but it's fine. Supernatural never makes sense. Oh, Cass and Jack! Cass, use your powers. I love you. I love you. He's trying. This hurts me so bad. Jack! Jack! Angel, it's okay. Oh no! What the heck? We stand a family.
He stabbed through the heart and he exploded.
Cass! Jack, it's okay, baby. Oh my gosh, they love him! Oh, they're This hurts me so bad. I'm literally gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind, Jack. It's okay, baby. It's okay. I don't like that music. Where's Rowena? She'll save the day. Oh my god. I don't care about this storyline. I care about Jack. No offense, I don't care about Nick. I'm sorry. I don't. I'm too stressed right now. I need to focus on Jack. Oh my god.
Jack's in total systemic failure. His body is in the process of shutting down.
No, we better not die. He can't die. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose it. Cass is sitting there watching over Jack. Oh my god.
Hell, I was even thinking maybe Rowena.
Rowena, yeah. Yes. Queen. She's gonna save Jack.
Fine, we're leaving.
Fine, we're leaving.
I got to you as quick as I could. How is he?
My baby.
Well,
I brought the Book of the Damned.
which, you stole.
She stole it. What a queen.
Amidst the rest of those folks arriving from the other world, but we can talk about that later.
I love Rowena so much.
Lucifer's son.
I mean, she knows this. She knows. I mean, last season she knew. I guess this season, I guess this season her memory is just gone, and so is Sam's.
I'm trying hard not to be like him.
This is soft. This is soft. This is soft!
He say such nice things about you.
Did you?
You saved all of us from Apocalypse World. Before you go, I just wanted to say thank you.
Oh my god, this is the softest thing I've ever seen in my entire life!
Bollocks.
What a queen. Oh! Ooh! Her eyes are purple again? What? Oh, she looks so good! What's going on with Dean?
But he's entering a critical phase. Sometimes you can just find it.
What's happening? Oh my god, I don't care about this. I don't care. I'm sorry, but like, I care about Jack. Not, like, oh my god. Here we go. What is happening? Wait, so the same thing happening to Nick is happening to Dean? Is it like I am confused.
I'm being special.
You are special.
Get a tan.
Oh,
Get bored.
that's so soft.
Speaking to me, Magda. Basically, no one is speaking to me. And I have a situation.
Me.
I've spoken to some of the greatest minds in witchcraft, and they all say there's nothing will help Jack.
Well, then they're not the greatest minds, are they?
What is going on with Dean?
Okay.
Seeing Rowena just stand there, she looks so good. This is soft, but I think Sam and Cass should go with them. Oh, Sam looks so hurt. Leave me alone. Oh gosh, is he gonna crash the car? How is he perfect at driving? How is he already not crashing? I would have crashed. This is so soft. I love this. Oh, this is so cute. Jack's a better driver than I'll ever be, and I can't even drive. Oh, Jack. Oh, this is the cutest and most pure thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh, oh my God. That's so soft.
Losing
A son
Oh my God.
feels different.
Oh my God, no, that hurt! That hurt! I can't. Cass, it's okay. Oh my God. I'm done! I'm done with this show. I'm done. Oh, Jack, you're so cute. So is that man the one that murdered his family? He tried to close the door really quick, so that's interesting, I guess.
You once told me you and your father did the exact same thing.
Oh! He wants to...
Happiest.
Jack wants this to be one of Dean's fondest memories of him. That's what he's saying, I can tell, and I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. Yeah, no, sorry, Jack, you can't die. Not on my watch. Cass is driving a blue car, we stand. Of course. Oh my God, when will it end? Leave him alone! Oh my God, is that Archangel Grace?
Cloaking spell.
From Gabriel?
He used it to hide away in Monte Carlo.
I miss Gabriel so much. A demon. Oh, wait, a demon possessed him. Okay, okay, enough, enough. What the heck? Okay. They're all together. Rowena's with them.
Are you ready, Jack?
I hope she saves him. The music's making me nervous. That's Gabriel's grace. I'm literally in the, oh my God. Well, oh boy. Anxiety, anxiety. Come on, his eyes need to glow, man. His eyes need to glow, come on. Yes, yes, he's back, he's back. Come on, come on, man. Do something. Yes.
definite improvement.
It's great.
I'm scared though.
Yeah.
No!
You say the words right?
You can't just cut in the middle of something like that. I need to know what's going on with Jack. What?
I'm bonded to you.
What?
And
What? What is happening?
if I'm not you,
Oh my God, he's talking to Lucifer?
no consequences,
No!
no sorrow.
Is he... What? What is happening? No! No!
You did more for him than any of us.
Stop it, Cass.
As he dies.
No, he can't. He can't die. This can't happen. This can't happen. It just can't happen. Not allowed. Not allowed. It's not allowed. It's... Hey guys, I'm editing. I don't feel like filming on my phone and like putting it onto my computer, so I didn't do an outro. I apologize for that. I'm just kind of stressed about this episode and this season and everything that is going on right now. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I screamed a lot. There were many times where I just said Rowena's name. I didn't put all those times in for your sanity. But I hope you guys liked the video, and that's it. Bye!